Hi everyone, I am Betty B. Tolentino, and I am studying public administration and governance because I want to make a positive impact in our community. Public administration teaches me how to manage public services and serve people in a fair and honest way. I choose this field because I believe that good governance is important for solving problems in society. Through this course, I am learning how to become a responsible leader who can promote transparency, accountability, and fairness in public service. I also want to help improve the lives of others by ensuring that government services are accessible to everyone, especially those in need. Public administration and governance give me the knowledge and skills to work towards these goals. In the future, I hope to contribute to building a better community where people trust their leaders and feel supportive. That is why I am passionate about studying this field. If you want to help others and make a difference too, this might be the path for you. Choose public administration now. Thank you.